Page 656, number 5. We are to find the first four terms and the eighth term when we know that a sub 1 is 8 and a sub n equals a minus 1 minus 4 for n greater than or equal to 2. So in this example, we're given a recursive relationship instead of an explicit one as we were in example number 1. So we can just go through the terms. So we know a sub 1 equals 8, and a sub 2 then is going to be a sub 1 minus 4, which is 4. And then a sub 3 is found by taking a sub 2, which is 4, and subtracting 4, which is 0. And a sub 4 is found by taking a sub 3, which is 0, and subtracting 4, and we get negative 4. So there's our first four terms. We have 8, 4, 0, and negative 4. Now what we have to do is find the eighth term. So if we wanted, we could continue in this fashion since we have a recursive relationship. So writing these in our set, we would have 8, 4, 0, negative 4. And then we can see each time they're going down by 4. So we would then be able to write in here negative 8, negative 12, negative 16, and then negative 20. And we would continue after that. And that would be our eighth term. So our eighth term is going to be negative 20.